This is our dinner for tonight. May pritong isda. Pangat na galunggong yata yan. Is Gigi. Tapos na tayo ng manok. And then, we have the dessert. That's it, guys. Please like and subscribe our YouTube channel, Emeline TV. Thank you for watching, guys. I love you all. Ayan, dinner natin tonight. Ayan. Ayan na siya. Sarap. Ayan. Pangat na galunggong yan. Ay, tsaka ito. Yummy.